about to do a nice little install.
Looks really sick. Tamir's C8.
Oh yeah. Who's this?
Hey, how's it going?
What's up? How you doing, man?
Good.
You good?
Yeah.
Sorry for being late, man. It
No,
took
it's
2
all right.
hours to get here during this time, man.
2 hours?
Yeah.
That's alright.
Oh, these so cute next to each other. Oh, I love how we're both dirty as hell. I love it though. Oh yeah.
Residuals, yeah, let's be professional. Thanks for your time, but I had to decline at that principle. I've been scheming up a plan, hey. I've been saving all I can, hey. You could call me David Ramsey. The way I handle these bands, hey. We ain't messing with the old model. New era, new kid, we full throttle. Just know that the come up is not a flaw. My amigos, they focus, know what to do. After I get it,
Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install the C8 steering wheel on the Goblin Vet. Of course, you know, you guys have seen his C7 and everything crazy that he has done. And he has our 3-piece wheels on the car. So this bad boy right here is vz102115. This one is green Alcantara with red stitching, forged carbon, and forged carbon inlay with the LED display. And of course we do carry the default look, which would be the regular carbon fiber with the red carbon inlay, black perfade leather, and the red stitching with the LED display or without the LED display. So we're gonna go ahead and start by opening up the front cargo.
Oh shit, I might have towels and shit in there.
We're gonna start off by taking off the panels. So as always, remember to disconnect your battery.
Which side? The negative side, you always disconnect first for your 10mm socket.
We have the other installation video. You guys have not seen it. So you want to make sure your steering wheel is straight. That way when you install the new one, it's not like the alignment is not crooked. We'll start off by taking off the tabs behind your steering wheel. There goes one. Once you take those clips off, you will have a bolt in there. And you just need to unscrew both sides and then the airbag comes off. Alright, so you'll proceed with the 10mm socket to take off the bolt. Then your airbag will come out. And you just need to hold those 2 pins up. Probably gonna need another flathead. So you just have to take all these tabs. A safety pin. There you go. Yeah. Alright, so now airbag is out. So we're gonna proceed in taking off the harness. You're just gonna pull out this tab, this red tab right here. And then you should be able to press this tab. And then it should let you pull it out. And then you have this tab down here. And you just like pull it. You just like press it down. Now we're just gonna proceed in taking off the center bolt.
You got it for me?
I mean, you're already doing it.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck? Don't fake show. You can take it off right here. You can take it off with your hand.
Oh. No, I'm gonna do it. I have to do it professionally.
Okay. See? No más steering wheel. So now we're just gonna go ahead and take off the bolts. You press the tab right here and then you push up.
Push up. And now it should work.
So you have your phone or something?
No, I have that.
So once you take off those, you should have smaller bolts in there. Alright, for this bolt, you're gonna need like a extension because it's really tight to get in there. There's one. Yeah, there's two.
You could throw this OEM steering wheel away and never see it again.
No, for memories.
It's up for sale.
Kind of looks like
All
the
the
Falcon.
jets.
$50,000.
Looks like a goddamn UFO and shit. About to fly away, the old trash.
Now we're just gonna go ahead and proceed in putting the buttons onto this bad boy right here. And then we're gonna hardwire it. So you're just gonna go ahead and put the black cover on, just the same way as the C8, the original one had it. And then you'll put your buttons in the front. And then everything should hook up.
As long as everything else works, I'm good. Is this light gonna work?
Yeah.
Alright, thank God, Jesus. So you see my revving when I'm screaming at everybody.
go. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and connect red to red, and we're gonna go ahead and try out the ground wire on bare metal. So we're gonna strip off a bit on the plastic, and hopefully I don't cut myself. And we're gonna now cover it with some electrical tape. Wrap the wire on the screw, and we're gonna screw it right into the actual core of the saw. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out, see if all our wiring was done correctly. So a moment of truth. Damn, son. Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and place the center bolt.
I didn't even know that.
Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and hook up the airbag. So purple in the purple slot, pink in the pink, and then this red wire in here. Okay, I'm gonna put the safety pin back in there. Okay, all set up. Make sure your wires are out of the way, everything is good. Once the airbag's in place, you're gonna use your bolts and put it back into there. The final thing is to put the caps back on. We're just gonna go ahead and connect the battery back on and tighten it up. You might want to be gentle with that bolt, because if you do tighten up too much, it might break. It's so fragile. Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and put the cover back on. Oh, and then we take the forklift for a drift.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we successfully installed the C8 steering wheel on the Goblin's Vet. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. Make sure you see him on the YouTube channel. Let us know your thoughts, comments, ideas, you know, everything you already know. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.
Oh, what's up, guys?
Wait, let me get a close to the steering wheel, bro.
You want me to rev it?
Yeah,
It's so loud, man. Oh. God damn, vicrez. sick, man. This is dope, man. I feel like I'm touching like one of the tables at my house. I feel like marble. Like I'm gonna go and hug my marble floors when I get home and stuff. It's just so warm, and then like I got the suede here and then a little bit more right here. You guys put a little sexy one right here. You got the reds like Christmas time over here and shit. I love this. Thank you, vicrez. You the man.
No, thank you, bro. Thank you.
You're the man.
No, you're the man.
You guys be safe, okay?
All right, you too.
All right. It feels so weird turning this shit.
So that was Tamir. Make sure to go over our YouTube channel and subscribe, guys, to watch the full video.